Although it's set to be revealed at CES on January 5, 2022, the Chevrolet Silverado EV won't be ready to start rolling through the production line until early 2023. Automotive News reports that Doug Parks, GM's Executive Vice President of Product Development, provided the timeline that will see the electric pickup lag behind its crosstown rival, the Ford F-150 Lightning, by around a year. Although GM had previously confirmed that the Silverado EV would go on sale in 2023, this latest revelation helps build a clearer picture of when exactly in 2023 the truck will be ready to go on sale. One of a series of electric pickups set to arrive soon, the Silverado EV will have to compete with the likes of the Rivian R1T, the Tesla Cybertruck, and, of course, the Ford F-150 Lightning. The seeming appetite for electric pickups may make Chevrolet dealerships impatient, though, since Ford shut down reservations for its new electric pickup after receiving 200,000. Based on the Ultium platform, the Silverado EV will be distinct from the internal combustion engine-powered truck that shares its name. It's likely to share more in common with the Hummer EV, which is based on the same platform and will be built at the same factory, near Detroit. That will mean that it has an expected range of 400 miles, rear-wheel steering, and more, though. That should position it well to compete in the busy segment. GM announced early this week that it was investing more than $50 million in its Bedford, Indiana plant to help build drive unit castings for the upcoming Silverado EV.